Find the point of symmetry and use that point to find this point of symmetry of this one. Now, this is a good review because we haven't done one in the last couple days. How do we find the point of symmetry? Remember, that was just a formula I gave you. This is x equals negative b over 3a. What is a? In this case, a is the coefficient of x cubed. So a is going to be 1, and b is the coefficient of x squared. So what is that? 0. So if I plug that in, I just get negative 0 over 3 times 1. I don't really need the 3 times 1. It just gives me 0. And if I plug it in, y of 0 gives me 0 cubed minus 16 times 0, or 0. So my point of symmetry is 0, 0. Now, I'm asking you to do this without actually graphing this equation. So how can I use this now to find the point of symmetry of this equation? Let's compare these two. I have x cubed minus 16x, and over here I have this quantity here cubed minus 16 times that same quantity, and then I'm adding 35 to it. If I call this f of x, what would it be when I plug in x minus 2? It would be f of x minus 2. But that would only take me into give me this first part, and then I need to add 35. That's what this equation is. So I'm comparing it to my original and seeing how is this original being transformed. Now I can look and see what does this do to the graph. The x minus 2, key number is 0. If I plug in 2, that will give me 0. This is going to shift the graph 2 units to the right. So it's going to say x, it's going to add 2, and then it'll take my y value and add 35, and so y will add 35. So if my original point of symmetry was 0, 0, my new point of symmetry will be 0 plus 2 and 0 plus 35, or in other words, 2, 35. And that's it.